Hi Zero. I introduce my plan, improvement to avoid aircraft collision on runway, such as JAL516 and Japan Coast Guard crash, Haneda Tokyo January 2nd, 2024. I call myself novice single scholar. Fortunately, 5 of 6 crews were killed. Both aircrafts were on fire and lost. All relatives, that means ATC controller, pilot of Japan Coast Guard, and JAL516, all have human errors. The first ATC controller, insufficient instructions. He said number 1, but nothing after number 1. No recognition of Japan Coast Guard plane while MLAT system warned it on runway. Second, Japan Coast Guard plane Juliet Alpha 3722 Alpha misunderstood the instruction, then intruded into runway. No recognition of other aircraft using same runway. The third, JAL516, unable to recognize Japan Coast Guard plane on the runway. My suggestion to improve is as the following. First, link MLAT system and REL. REL means runway and identification light. In case MLAT system warns invasion into runway, REL must be changed to red from green. By this improvement, approaching pilots securely go around by recognizing red REL, runway and identification light. This system excludes human errors, both of ATC controller and pilot. I apologize my unskilled English. Thank you.